Guess what day it is? It is cruise day. I am going aboard Cunard on Queen Mary 2 for a transatlantic cruise for 7 days. This is the first time that I will be on Cunard and my first transatlantic cruise. Let's go. Here we are, getting onto the ship for the first time. On the ship now. Let's see what this ship looks like while I am on my way to my muster station as well as to my room. So I just got to my room, so I'm going to go in my room, see how my room looks. They have the key in an envelope outside the room. And this is my room. I am staying in an ocean view solo cabin. Wow. This is just beautiful. I will do a review later on, but let's go to the muster station and see what else is on the agenda for today. The muster drill was a breeze. You just go to the station and they just want to make you know where the station is. So now let's explore more of this beautiful ship. By the way, I love the look of my room. I can't wait to explore more of my room as well. I'm here getting something to eat, so I'm getting chicken thigh, some mashed potatoes, and some pad thai chicken as well. Let's see how it is. Chicken is flavorful. Mashed potatoes is alright. Pad thai chicken. It's flavorful as well. Needs a little more gravy for me. I'm gonna eat this food and then see what else is on the agenda. I want to make sure I am
ready for the sail-away party as well.
So Queen Mary 2 sails out of Brooklyn, and the views from where we are in Red Hook, Brooklyn, are just beautiful of Manhattan. We see right into Manhattan. I'm going to turn it around. The next thing we are going to do a little later is going to be the sail away party. I can't wait to see how Cunard does a sail away party. Let me show you these beautiful views of Manhattan. Look at this right here. Over there is the Statue of Liberty. And we could just see right into Manhattan. One World Trade is right there. Just beautiful. Before going to the sail away party, let's explore the ship a little bit more. I have a little bit of time on my hand. I am on the 3rd floor. I kind of like being lower to where a lot of things are. So let's go around a little bit, and then the next stop is the sail away party. The sail away party is being held in something called the Terrace Bar. It is on the 8th deck at the back of the ship. And here it is. Beautiful back here. The drinks are flowing. Very different sail away party than I am used to, but that is how they do it in Cunard. The band is playing, singers are singing, drinks are flowing, and there is just a time of relaxation before the night begins. It is time for dinner. It is smart attire. So I got a polo shirt on and some khakis. And I have early dining, which starts at 6 o'clock. So let's go eat. Okay. Here's Britannia. So let us talk about dinner. I was in an area where there was a lot of activity, so I decided, let me not record and just be in the moment. And I had such a great time with the individuals that were right next to me, and we had a great conversation. So, what did I have for dinner? What did I think about it? First night on Cunard, first time experiencing their dining room. And so I started with a beetroot salad with tomatoes, cucumber, and feta. It was simple, but it was delicious to me. I really enjoyed it. The saltiness of the feta was really good. It just really paired with everything on that plate. And so I thought that was a great dish. The roasted tomato soup, I love roasted tomato soup. Delicious. I didn't have to add any salt. I didn't have to add any pepper. It was just delicious. Then I had the roasted sirloin of beef with Yorkshire pudding, with roasted potatoes, green beans, carrots, and cauliflower, which was a cheesy cauliflower, and red wine gravy. So overall, I enjoyed the dish. It wasn't overly seasoned, it wasn't under seasoned, it was just there. And I've never had cauliflower with cheese before, so it was creamy. It was something different that I've never had. Now, the Yorkshire pudding, I asked somebody who was right next to me, how does Yorkshire pudding supposed to taste? And I think maybe there was supposed to be some other things added to it, on top of it, to kind of bump up the flavor of it. It didn't really have any taste. If you have tried that before, let me know what you think about it. How is it supposed to taste? Yorkshire pudding. And for dessert, I had what they call the chocolate marquise. The chocolate marquise was a mousse, and I had it with chocolate ice cream. The chocolate ice cream was really good, actually. I usually don't like chocolate ice cream, but this chocolate ice cream was good. And that was dinner. I am here now. I'm about to get a hot chocolate. I am going to enjoy this hot chocolate. It's really decadent. Wow, look at this. So I'm going to enjoy this hot chocolate, marshmallows, chocolate shavings, a lot of stuff going on here. And after that is a show. I'm not sure if I could record at the show. When I looked at other videos, they're saying that you cannot record. So I will see if I can record. If not, I will just let you know what I thought of the production show. And I want to go to, there's a jazz club or jazz singers happening tonight. I love jazz, and I want to be able to go there and enjoy that as well. The production show is in the theater, and the jazz group is in something called the chart room. Stay tuned. I just finished the production show. It was a nice production show. She was a violinist, and she mostly did Irish music, and I enjoyed it. She even brought somebody on the stage to do a skit. By the way, did you like, comment, and subscribe as of yet? Can you do me a favor and do that? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It would greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you also for supporting the way that you do. I am about to go and see some jazz. I'm really looking forward to it. I love jazz. So let's see what that is about.